its waves on high. They mounted up to heaven, they sung to the deeps, their hearts melted away in their plight. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. They cried to the Lord in their distress. From their straits He rescued them. He hushed the storm to a gentle breeze, and the billows of the sea we hear still. Give thanks to the Lord, His love is everlasting. They rejoiced that they were calm, and He brought them to their desired